Welcome everyone to a brand new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of CarX Drift Racing 2 in which you can get free unlimited gold and money. And remember, the best part about this modded version is that it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. And the best part about this video is that later in this video I'll be showing you some steps that will allow you to download this modded version of CarX Drift Racing 2 in which you can get free unlimited money and gold into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So it's a great modded version. This is the modded version of the game, and as you can see, it welcomes you with these two crazy cars drifting, and probably from the name you can estimate and assume that this is a racing game, which is all about racing cars going crazy on the tracks and kind of like putting up records and all that. So I have the game open. Now what does this mod offer you? This mod basically offers you free unlimited gold and money. So for example, let's say I'm going into the car packs, and let's say I'm tired of my old rusty car and I want to go on to buy a new car. And let's say it is costing me 79 money. It is costing me the currency of the game 75 points. So let's say they're $75. I have $0 right now and it's costing me $75, but I still want to buy it with this modded version. All I have to do is simply click on this button and click on buy car, yes. And although I don't have that amount of money, I've still bought the car. And this is the entire consequence of this modded version. It allows you to purchase things without having the need to spend any of your currency points or gold. So this way I don't have to worry about how many gold I have, how much gold I have, or how much money do I have. It is entirely infinite. You can just go on to purchase anything in the game you want for free without having the need to pay real money or in order to purchase these golds and coin or money, something like that. It is entirely free. And this is the best part about this modded version. You can go on to purchase anything you want, and there's no limit of how many items you can purchase in a certain period of time or how many things you can purchase, or there's a limit of how many golds and money you can spend in this modded version. There is no limit. It is entirely infinite. Just go on to buy whatever you want to. Maybe it's like the same thing I used to say. Buy whatever you want to. Maybe someone else has paid for you. So this way, this modded version is a great one. It offers you a lot of cool things. So look at that. I just bought this car. That's a cool car, by the way. I can just go on to customize it, add all sorts of crazy stickers and different modifications, and I change different things. So for example, I have 1,000 gold. Look at that. I just bought it without paying any real thing. However, if you had the normal version of this game, in order to buy all these things, and if you didn't have the sufficient amount of currency or points or gold or money, you would have to pay real money in order to top up your account, and then you will be able to spend or buy such things. But in this modded version, you don't have to spend any single penny. All you have to do is simply go on to purchase these things for free and enjoy them. So this is the entire fun with this modded version. It is a great modded version, and it is highly recommended. And if you guys have played this game before, then this modded version will offer you a lot more than you can think. And if you haven't played this game before, then I would certainly recommend you guys to download and try this mod, and this will get your attention and will basically engage you in the game, within the game, and you guys will love this modded version as well as the game, because both of these things go hand in hand. A modded version and the game go hand in hand in order to make a better gaming experience. So what I'll be doing over here is that I'll simply close this game for now. And so this is the CarX Drift Racing 2 modded version. And now I'll be showing you how to download it. So the first thing you have to do is basically locate and open the settings of your phone. So just like this, and scroll down to your battery settings. And this is step number 1, which is for both Android and iOS devices. And you have to make sure that your low power mod on your iOS devices and your power saving mod or your battery saving mods on your Android devices are turned off, because if these power saving mods are on, your downloading process will be affected. So you have to make sure that your battery saving mods are off on either of your Android and iOS devices. This is step number 1, which is for both Android and iOS devices. After you've done this step, you'll have to proceed to step number 2, which is only for iOS devices. You have to go to your general settings and look for background app refresh underneath the iPhone storage, and make sure that your background app refresh is on nothing but on Wi-Fi and cellular data out of these 3 options. Because if it's on any other thing, your downloading process will again be affected. So you have to make sure that your background app refresh is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. And once you've done step number 2, which is only for iOS devices, you'll proceed to step number 3, which is that you have to go down to the settings of the browser you will be using to download this modded version. In my case, it's Safari. And go to the privacy and security section of your browser settings and unblock all the cookies by disabling the setting that says block all cookies. So you basically have to unblock all the cookies for the particular browser you're using. This is step number 3, which is for both Android and iOS devices. Once you've done that, go to your browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked, and into the search engine bar type in tweaksky.com. So into the search engine bar of that particular browser, type in tweaksky.com and click search, and a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way. And this list contains a lot of cool things, and it is highly unlikely that you may not find something over here in this list. And if it happens, you can go on to type it in the search bar and it will filter it for you. There you guys just found the CarX Drift Racing 2 mod. It says unlimited gold and money mod. This is iOS and Android version. So if it's signed or not revoked, you can just go on to install it by clicking there and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button. And remember, there is no need for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And the only reason I have fast forwarded the video over here is to basically make it short, because the injection process may take up to a few minutes, however not too long. And once the injection process finishes, you will be asked to proceed to the final step, which is going to be the easiest one as well. So I'll show you how to do it, so do not worry at all. So basically I have to complete 2 offers from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now here's the thing, since I already have the game installed, I don't have to do it because I've already done it, but I'll show you how I did it. So there you go. I have these 2 apps and then I have the games. I'll show you how I did it. So my first offer was this one, Fetch Rewards. I had to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. And remember, these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store, and as you can see, they're already downloaded. So these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store if in case you're using an Android device, so they're 100% safe to use. And although they've instructed me to run this app for 30 seconds, I ran it for 40 to 50 seconds and would recommend you guys to do the same as well. However, you might not notice it over here because I'm just demonstrating how do you run it. After that, after Fetch Rewards was my first offer and Present was my second offer. I had to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. It's already installed, as you can see again over here. And I ran it for 40 to 50 seconds, even though they had specified 30 seconds. And remember, I haven't done this because I have plenty of storage, but you may delete these extra apps just to optimize your storage once you get your modded version downloaded. And after you've completed everything, simply close everything and return to your home page, and you'll notice that your modded version of CarX Drift Racing 2 will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here for me in these few simple steps. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video. Until the next time, take care and enjoy the game as it works really great. Bye.